Here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
So we've just got to Kariega Game Reserve, and these are our digs. Ooh, key. The weather today is not as good as what it has been.
The rain follows us.
Wow. This is
I thought this was Max.
stunning. The dining area, bedroom, bathroom, shower. But the view into the valley. Fireplace. Oh, nice little balcony. Oh, first bit of wildlife. He's a big boy. Let's let him out. Looks like he's got a stinger. Just for reference of how big he is, I've I've got quite big hands as well. Crazy.
Fun.
Right, kids.
Fun.
See you in a few days, alright?
Okay, bye-bye.
I know, we're coming, it's okay. Wowzers.
I didn't know we had a tail.
I have a tail and I have horns.
Hi.
You want to try something?
Oh wow.
There's a baboon running in the road as well. Bunch more in the thickets as well.
Hello. Oh!
That's a beautiful picture.
That is, yeah.
Guess what you said that was before.
Just to show you guys how far, so if we see them, look at the type of nose, mouth part actually. What the black rhino has, more of a hooked one. You're gonna taste this about spearminty, it's about a minty tasting. But the more it savors in your mouth, the whole taste is get stronger and stronger and stronger.
It's like mint.
Is it actually?
Yeah, it is.
We call it actually our
I can't see. Elephant.
Wow. Keep still.
Can you guys see the young one?
Oh my gosh, look at the baby.
Max.
Oh, really? How are you?
That's so cool.
It's okay. He's not gonna hurt you. It's okay. It's okay.
being the best mate. He's gonna stalk, he's gonna jump, he's gonna run, pretty boy.
We're just watching an elephant chase away a lion. It is literally like being in an episode of Animal Planet.
Come on, boy. You can move past me. You can go to your lion. Don't even try.
God, whoa. That was.
Nail in a few. It's falling.
Yeah, it's fall.
Good back.
Just driving back to the lodge. Had an absolutely epic day. And I'll say epic quite a lot on this trip so far, but it's been phenomenal. We've seen black and white rhino, lion, elephant,
Yala.
kudu, wildebeest, buffalo. Something else over there.
Just see that white bit of it.
Kudu maybe. Or an Inyala. But yeah. Damon, the guide, has been unbelievable. His passion for these animals sort of shines through. And I can see why. We've seen today. Saw an elephant trying to chase away some lions away from the baby elephants. Just incredible. It's like being in an episode of Animal Planet or the Dynasties or something like that. It's been crazy good. So yeah. So we just stopped for breakfast. Well, not breakfast, but like snack and a bit of coffee. It's very, very cold morning. The sun is just coming up above the valley. Interesting sunrise. And the kids wanted to sit still on the bonnet because we've not found the lions yet. So last night had that lion sighting. And we've not found them again. So they could be anywhere. So they might be just in that bush. Pop out and eat me.
Oh, I have like allergies to dust, dogs, cats.
But yeah, it's lovely.
Just deal with it. I just daily take antibiotics.
Yeah, the bonus around.
I itchy from being
I have
done.
allergies to hay.
Yeah, we're both at hay.
I don't
Oh, we
like
stopped by this carcass, by the way.
Then you realise it's a wall because they're woolly.
So the lions took this a couple of weeks ago.
It's not exactly now, it's just me.
You wanna hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me holding the horn.
Don't we take a picture of you holding it?
They just hold it.
So just put, so you can stand here. And you can stand by the carcass. Hold your one hand here, on the edge. And put the other one there. There you go. Hold it up.
And what's that? Oh, go on, mate. Two against one.
Just absolutely dealt with it.
Get 4 on this one. Max, you can do 4, all 4. Whoever gets the most points. So here, you get 10 points, 5 points, 15 points, 20 points, 25 points. No. Can't change it now. No. So you have 125, so that's 25, plus 10, that's 35, 55, give me a sec, 70, I had 75.
Hi,
Hi.
and welcome to an episode of.
Bresnans On Tour.
Yep.
On tour.
Yep.
No, baby.
And today we're gonna just debrief Kenton, which was phenomenal, and huge thanks to the Benjamins who let us stay in their house for the week. That was fantastic.
Yeah.
And the
So sunny.
And the weather was beautiful, wasn't it? And the boat rides and the river and the safaris. So guys, Maxie, you start us off with your high points and low points, or do you want to just talk about the safari and all the animals that you saw?
Okay, my high point on the safari was that I was the only one who saw a leopard.
Wow.
Because when I was walking home with Etta and it was dark, Etta was, I don't know, and I was just doing this, and I saw a leopard just go meow just across the fence.
Cool. And would you like to talk about all the other animals that we saw?
We saw a lion, elephant, hippo, wildebeest. Oh, what Damon called the suicide birds.
The wide-eyed nightjar.
Yeah.
Yep.
You
wrote them all down, didn't you?
Yeah. Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Elephant, lion.
Zebra.
Yeah.
We got like a list to tick the animals off.
Yeah. We did, didn't we? As
Zebra.
part of your homework. And what was the coolest animal that you saw?
Oh, definitely the lion.
The lion.
Lion.
Leopard.
It's
For
gotta
Max. Etta, your coolest animal that you saw?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. You like the giraffes, didn't you?
I know what Max's teacher's gonna like, because elephants.
Elephants, yeah.
That's my favourite animal.
We saw loads of elephants, didn't we?
Oh yeah, but those elephants are so cute. We can get a picture of a really cute elephant laying under, like, so there's a big. I've seen the picture. I'll just show you.
And what did we see? We saw the elephant chasing the
Lion.
Yeah. And how cool was that?
It was like an episode of David Attenborough, Animal Planet, Blue Earth.
Yeah. So that brings us to the end of another episode of
The Bresnans On Tour.
Yeah. And all that's left to do is say
Bye bye.
Bye bye.